How to make a zip file on your PC. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily make a zip file on your PC. So if you're also using laptop or PC just like me, then what you need to do is, as you can see, I've got like 4 different types of files on my screen over here at the right section. So I want to change all of these inside of my zip folder. So to create a zip file, all I have to do is just select this folder, or what I can do is just create a new folder over here. So let me just show you. So I'll just rename it for not confused. So I'll just click on test. So I'll just give it a name so that I can remember, and I'll put all of this file inside of here. So let me just do that. So as you can see, I have inserted all of my files inside of a newly created folder called test. So now all I have to do to convert this folder into zip file is I'll have to right click on it, the folder, and then just head over to the send to option and just click on this second option, that is compressed zipped folder. So what it will basically do is it will compress your folder to a completely new zip folder. As you can see on my screen, it has successfully converted to the zip folder. So that is exactly how you convert or make a zip file on your laptop or PC. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.